Welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and in today's video we're going to be organizing and decluttering this laundry area. So I don't have an actual laundry room. I have pretty much a nook. As soon as you come in the back door, boom, there's your washer and dryer. So today we're going to tackle it. It's not a lot of stuff, but I think a lot of us know if we live in small spaces, the least amount of stuff seems like the most amount of clutter there could possibly be. So today we are going to change that, and I hope this is motivating for y'all that live in small homes too. If you're new here, I live in a single wide trailer in North Carolina, and the goal of this channel is to give y'all inspiration and motivation to just make your home healthy. That's basically what it is. So whatever that means to you, that's the goal. And I wanted to read a comment from one of you that was left in the Dollar Tree video. So Storm Chaser Chick 32 said, "I'm so glad I found your channel. It helps me with my stress and depression." And I think that is amazing that a cleaning channel can help someone with mental health. Obviously, I don't mean that that's the answer, but I do think it's awesome that if someone does have mental health circumstances, we'll call it, I myself have those as well. It's nice to know that the small things help out. So I think that's great, and I really appreciate your comment and you let me know that. So if you're new here, I like to read a comment in every video from some previous videos. So if you want your comment read, leave a comment down below. Let me know a small space in your house that just, no matter what you do, it seems to always feel cluttered, and let's see if we can change it, because this is that space for me. It always feels cluttered. So y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell. All of those things are free, and it helps out my channel so much to get connected with more of you. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm going to pan over and show you what this area looks like up close and how dirty it is, and we're going to get started with organizing it. Alright, so this is my washer and this is my dryer, and I don't know where to put this because we don't have a closet, you know, where like stuff like this could go. No closets in our bathrooms, no closets anywhere, except for our bedrooms. But washer and dryer, I always have the laundry detergent here, Chloe's potty pads, and then look at this. I noticed this the other day when I was doing my Dollar Tree video, how messy that is back there. So we're definitely going to be doing some satisfying cleaning before and after right there. But there's some hangers up here that need to go. That is a bunch of lint that needs to go. I'm sorry about the bird in the background. She's just very, very loud and singing. So I got some light bulbs up there, my dust mop, I love that thing, a battery charger, just some random bits and bobs that really, I just need to go through them, get rid of anything at all possible I can. So as you can see, like, it's not that there's a lot of stuff, it's just that it's just an eyesore basically. I think it would be great if I could get those collapsible bins like I have in my bathroom and have them in here. That way all of this stuff is there, but you can't see it. So I think that would be a great thing to do in a small laundry area like this. So let's go ahead and get to cleaning and
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright.
As best as I can get it right now without like taking everything apart and really getting in there to clean. But I'm not about to move this washer and dryer to clean behind here. One of my friends, Chelsea, just did a video similar to this, and she couldn't move her washer and dryer either. So y'all, this is the best as I'm gonna get it for now. But if y'all saw that Dollar Tree video where I was testing the generic brand of the magic eraser, this was like so thick with dust. I did not even realize that it was white. I thought that it was gray because of the dust. So make sure you don't forget to wipe the dust off of these areas.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on.
Dust all this stuff off that was on there, go through it, and then put back whatever I want to. And in the future I will buy those bins. I think they have them at the Dollar Tree, the collapsible bins. I will buy some of those all in the same color and put them up there, and it's gonna look so much better. Yes.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from. You're on my mind, and you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind, on my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind.
not as good as I would like it to be, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all everything, and you can tell me in the comments what if you hear walking, it's him. I don't have a ghost living here. Okay, there's the washer. The dryer, it's all clear out. There's no reason for anything to go on the washer or dryer from now on because it all has a place. I'm talking to him really. Okay, there's some spray bottles right there. I have dryer balls right there. And then everything else is up there. So again, I do want to get those collapsible bins so I can just put all of this in the bins. That way it's not all these different colors and shapes that you see. It would be just bins, but everything that's there would still be there. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I condensed it down short enough for viewing pleasure because it took me about 2 hours to do this, but it's okay. Anyways, thank you for watching. I will see you back here tomorrow for another video. We'll be doing my bathroom.